How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today we're gonna be working on my friend's Citroen C5, and we're gonna be removing the window regulator from the driver's side door. If you like the video, hit like button and subscribe to our channel. If you need to see the video on how to remove the door panel on this car, I'll put the link to it in the description below. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this plastic piece right here, which is held in by one Torx screw. It's used to hold these cables to Windows control and to screw in the door panel. I'm also gonna remove this protective piece right here. Now you need to remove one screw, which is located right here. There is also the one behind the door handle. You can remove door handle by just moving it to the left. And there's also one more screw which is hard to access, and it's located right behind the speaker. The problem right here is that the screw is located behind the plastic, so what I did, I drilled the hole with a 10 millimeter drill bit so I can access the screw itself. There's the hole that I drilled, and it gives me enough room to remove the screw. There are a few other screws, as you can see. There are also two other screws which hold the glass in place, and we're gonna have to push the window down to access them. The problem that I faced was that the cables are all tangled up, and the window won't go down by itself, so I'm gonna have to push it down, or if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to loosen the mechanism itself to access those two screws. Here's the first one right here. It's 10 millimeter screw in my case, but this is not the original screw. Usually it's a Torx one, just as this one right here. Right now I'm gonna start undoing them one by one. Now I'm gonna move to these two screws which hold the electric motor. We got one more screw left, I think. Right, now I'm gonna push the window down. I'm actually gonna have to loosen the window regulator. You have to push up the whole mechanism because it's held in by the metal latches. So push it up a little bit, and that's gonna give you enough space to push the window down a bit more so you can undo the two screws which hold in the glass. Alright, I got one undone. Here's the second one. As I said before, usually it's a torque screw, it's not a 10mm one, but it's clear that somebody messed with this mechanism before me. Alright, now pull the window up and tape it so it doesn't fall down and get damaged. Alright, that's it for this part. Now before we can remove the window regulator, we gotta undo the connector which is connected to the electric motor. The problem is that the plastic clip is located on the other side and it's impossible to see. So I've taken the small flathead screwdriver and I kinda felt it get undone, and I was able to pull the connector off. As you can see right here, this is how the safety clip looks like. All you have to do is push it up a little bit. Now the regulator is free and we can slowly wrestle it out of the door. Now this part right here, you also gotta push it up. It's also held in by the metal latches. You can see through this hole the latch. All you gotta do is push it up a bit. Okay, I've also pushed in a little pin that holds in the cable, and that is basically it. The window regulator is out. That's it for this video. If you liked it, hit like button and support our channel by subscribing.